What a time to be alive, you know? First off, I put some stuff on the wall so it wouldn't look as bare, but I put them too high. There they are. Didn't think that one through. I need to put something behind me. Got this lamp that I made in workshop class in 7th grade. I always don't clean my spot. Always don't. It's like I don't know I'm making a video. Spick and span. I need more artifacts. Speaking of artifacts, here's this. Pretty sure I stole this from Pharaoh. It's legit, dude. That's gonna, in the middle of the video, it's gonna fall on me. Why did I make this video? Maybe I should stand up for these. That's an idea. Oh, there's my basketball goal. Ball in. Did that go in? I don't think it did. I would need to switch my tripods out. Currently using this. Let's see if I can trade it out. And there we have it. Maybe I'll just leave that in the shot. Is that kind of a sweet backdrop? I need lighting over here. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like that. You know what? We're doing it. Oh. Oh. I did realize that I haven't been talking into my mic this whole time. Man, I want to take a picture of this really fast. So this is what I see now. Types of sneezes. Now, why is this important? Well, did you know you can make yourself sneeze? I'm crying. Tears are coming down my face. Look at that. I'm not sad. I'll tough through it. I'll figure it out. I'm just gonna let the tears roll. I'm a man. I don't know, that doesn't have anything to do with it. Here we go. Big money, no whammies. Oh. It's there. I just stepped on something. Oh my goodness. My new shirt. I shed tears in my new shirt. Whew. That was a lot. Wow. So all I did was I rolled up a piece of toilet paper. This is paper towel. I just take a piece of paper towel and roll it up. Do you think I can do twice? I'm so close. Oh. It's a workout, man. The tears, man. I've got to be able to do it. There's no doubt. Oh, it's there. Making some pretty sweet faces, if I do say so myself. Still like the artifact. I was gonna be I was gonna say I'm Katniss Everdeen, and it all happened so fast. Whew. That takes a look at this. Look at my eyes. I just had one of those days. Wow. Tears are rolling. Well, I actually think that's it. I was gonna do a types of sneezes video, but where'd my book go? I threw it, didn't I? Oh, I did. As the notebook says, I got nothing. I wrote nothing down. You can check the link below to my 2 types of sneezes. They got a lot of views, and I'm not entirely sure why. They're really, they're difficult to get through because it was pre-stages of, it was like the early vlogs. Wow, that was, making yourself sneeze, it's something, there's something there. Yep. Well, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like the new setup. I like this standing thing. Standing makes me feel more free. That's all I got. Don't forget to comment, favorite, share, like, subscribe. Do it all to be legit. If you like this setup, let me know down below. Let me know down below. I'm gonna start utilizing that. That's all I got. Do something nice, somebody. Peace out.